Did you know in every spring in Kushtia there is a fair held that celebrates not just music but the soul of one.
200 years ago, in a small village of Kushtia, a boy was found sick near Kaligonga river. A Muslim woman rescued him and got him back to life. Later on, this boy became one of the greatest saints of this world, known as Lalon Fakir Lalon Shah. No one truly knows the birth name or religion of Lalon Shah. Perhaps this mystery was actually Lalon's greatest lesson.
His music teach us how to be human first. Simple words but infinite wisdom. It is a reminder that true freedom lives not in power but in love, simplicity and humanity. Today we are at Lalon Mela where faith, freedom and folk wisdom meet under one sky.
সাইদের যে আদি ভাবটা একটু বিকৃতির মতো অবস্থা, এটা ভুলভাল নিয়ম চলছে। মহামানব উনি বিশ্ব মানবতার কথা বলে গেছে। লালন সাইদের গান শুনলে নিজেকে মনে হয় যে আমি আর মনে হয় দুনিয়ায় নাই।